Hello everyone, this is Matt with Way Out Web Design. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to open up a link in a new tab in the browser. Now the browsers handle these in a variety of ways, but your standard method of opening a link in a new tab with HTML, the simple HTML way to do it, is what I'm going to be showing you here. So we have here again one of the sample designs that come with the HTML Basics instructional video series, and I have some text links over here, and then I have an image map over here which we created in a different video, and I'm going to show you how you can create a link that opens up in a new tab. So let's look at the code. It's very simple. It's simply a matter of setting an attribute on the hyperreference, or on the anchor, actually on the anchor element in this case. Now this is the code for the menu that's text over here, the text links that we have on this left side. And what we want to do is we want to make this consultations link. So when I click this consultations link, you'll see that we go to the consultations page like that. But what we want is, in some cases, like if your link goes to another website, and it's taking the visitor off of your website, you might not want to send them away from your website where they have to hit the back button to get back. So what you may choose to do is open the page that you have assigned to this link in its own tab, so that once the individual clicks this link here, they not only have your website still open, but they also have the page that you referred them to open over here. So it's simply a matter, like I said, of setting an attribute on, in this case, since it's a text link, on the anchor. And the attribute that you set is called the target attribute. And the value that you put for the target attribute is underscore blank. And if you set that as the target or the value for the target attribute on an anchor, which is the tag or the element that you use to create a link, if you set this attribute to this value on that link and save it, and then go back to our example and refresh the page, now when we click this link, well, first let's go back to the home and we'll refresh that. Now when we click this link, you'll see down here, right here, where when we click it, we get to the consultations page. But if you notice up here in our tabs, we have two tabs. We have the page that we clicked, and we have the page that we went to. And so that's how you set it on a text link that you're using with the anchor tag. It's the exact same way for our image map. You come down here on the image map, and on this area, we have an area right here that we defined in the image map that we're using as a hyperlink reference to this page, same page. But we're just going to add that same attribute with the same value, and we're going to save it. Now our example here doesn't have it. If we close this and I go over here and I click this link here, see, it takes us to the right page, but it didn't open it in its own link. Now if I refresh this, it'll get updated with the, actually we need to go back to the home page and refresh that one. Now it's updated and it has that code that we just added. So if I click this, we should get a new tab up here, and we do. So you can see that it's very, very easy to create links that open new new tabs in your web browser, and it's just a matter of setting the target attribute to the blank _blank value, and that will create your new tab.